We're going to take a really quick look at this Rolson 9-in-1 screwdriver. Now, I found this down the a local shop for about £3, but you can find it maybe on Amazon for about 6 or 7. But look out for any good deals. Let's have a look and see what's inside. But before I do that, it does list all the different screwdriver tips at the top there. I'll put those in the video description. Okay, so let's see if we can get into it. All right, so this packaging is really quite difficult to get into. Anyway, we're in and we've got the screwdriver here. It's quite lightweight. I'll measure that and put the weight of it in the description. And then we've got all the screwdriver tips here. And we should try and take it out of this plastic as well. Oh, come on. Oh, those, they actually push out. I wonder if I can separate the plastic. Okay, those are all quite lightweight, so I'll pop all those out. Okay, they're all out. So let's go back to the screwdriver itself. Now the cap actually screws off. And what you'll be able to do is pop all of those inside. We nearly get there. They don't exactly all fit in that easily. I'm kind of left with a few. Let's have a rejig of that. Okay, I've had another go. It's fed them all back in again and left with one over. That just doesn't get in the end there. Oh man. I guess you could put the cap back on. Come on. All right. And then store this one in the head. So it is magnetic on the end, as you'd kind of hope for. Then we can take that and try that. And that works fine. So let's try it on some glasses where it's an even smaller screw. Problem is, that's a different screw head, so that's a just a flat head. So we need to find flathead one in the collection of heads here. That one looks small enough. Yep. Oh no, that one, it's like slanted. I would have said that that one is broken. That one looks all right, but it's a bit bigger. Let's see if it works all right in a pair of sunglasses. Yeah, that just fits in. It's going to be very hard to get that focused. That does fit in there. That's fine. So you could do a pair of glasses with it. So yeah, that's a bit disappointing with that one that does appear to be broken. I can't imagine there being any screwdriver with a slanted head like that, but I will check. But yeah, I'll see how I get on with this, and I'll let you know in the description. I guess what I'm disappointed with is just how these don't really fit in that well into the body. You're going to have to pop them all out to find the right one to use. I've got another screwdriver where it has a plastic inlay, and it kind of, they all go in like a cartridge, and that's been a lot better. So that could have been quite neat, and the whole thing could have just come out, and then I could pick the right one out of there. But you just have to dish them out and then pick through them and then shove them all back in again. But for £3, it's all right. Anyway, hope this helped. Thanks for watching. See you next time.